Tired of those embarrassing flubs or unnecessary pauses ruining your iPhone videos? Let's fix that. First, tap on the Photos app icon. It's usually found on your home screen and looks like a colorful pinwheel. Now scroll through your photo library and find the video you want to edit. Tap on it to open it. With your video open, look for the edit button in the top right corner of your screen. Tap it. You should now see the video editing screen at the bottom. You'll find the video timeline. Notice the yellow trim handles at the beginning and end of the timeline. These are your best friends. To trim the beginning of the video, tap and drag the left yellow handle inwards. Towards the right, watch the video preview to see where you want to start the clip. Similarly, to trim the end of the video, tap and drag the right yellow handle inwards. Towards the left again, keep an eye on the preview to find your desired ending point. To remove a section from the middle, tap on the timeline where you'd like to make your first cut. Then hit split. This will divide the video at that point. Repeat this process again, this time tapping where you want the section you want to remove to and split it there. To now you will have 3 parts to your video, with the section to be removed isolated. Select the middle portion of the video and select the delete button. This will remove the selected portion. Once you're happy with your edits, tap done in the top right corner. You'll be given the option to save video, which overwrites the original, or save video as new clip, which creates a new trimmed version, leaving the original untouched. Choose whichever works best for you. And that's it. You've successfully trimmed your iPhone video without any extra apps. Now go forth and create awesome, polished content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks.